Dear students, here I am again showing you a online compiler program is C++ and going to show you another program that is a C++ conditional statement construction, conditional statement giving if and else. These are the condition structure. We show you to choose between the code of line to work out by giving some kind of condition. In this structure you can control the execution of the statement as so. For this, what you have to do, these are the line numbers. Again, I'm just giving you a reminder, the line numbers in C++ just to show you the friendly environment so you can easily locate your lines. And we are using a C++ compiler, and it is an online compiler. Line number 1 forward slash shows the comment, the remark that tells that online C++ compiler is here to run a C++ program. Line number 2, starting with the hash. Hash is the preprocessor directive that is going to include this header file, the instruction for the processor to how to input and output the statements shown in the C++ coding. Line number 3, we have just a simple gap that is just to clarify the code. It's just nothing to do with the C++. In line number 4, we have started our main program. This statement shows the compiler that the actual program is now going to be starting from here. Here is a curly flower brace. I can shift it to line number 5 so you can see very clearly. This is a starting one, and in line number 19, this is the ending one. And our main program, our all the program is written in between these curly braces. So these double line slash, this double line also forward slash showing that a comment that you have to write your code here. These between these curly flower braces you have to do your program. The rest is just a predefined syntax you have to follow must. Upper three lines and the last return zero you have to write must in every program. So again, line number 7, it's just a gap just to show you a clear picture of the code. So here I am declaring. What is declaring? I am declaring. I can write some code for you as well with double quotation that it's a declaration statement. What a declaration statement? Declaration statement is a statement in which you just declare a variable you are going to use in the program with the data type. Remember that data type must be given, as I'm going to write a program in which I'm going to use a variable named m. You can write any kind of variable, and in this program I'm asking a user to enter the marks so I can tell if it is passed or it is failed. He or she is failed or passed. So here at line number 9 is just a gap, nothing to do with the program. And the line number 10 standard output, I'm going to message the user showing a message that enter your mark. And then in cin I can going to write the mark, save the mark. A variable is a memory location in C++ where you can write your program values for the time being as long as the program is running. Line number 12 is again the gap, and on line number 13 our code will be starting. So in line number 13 we start with our if statement. In this if statement, in fact, we are going to write condition in parentheses. In this program I'm going to write a condition that if the marks enter in m, whatever the marks will be entered, it will be stored in my variable m. Variable in programming are the memory location where you can have a name and the value will be stored over there, and we call that value by calling the name in the program. So I'm just comparing my marks entered by the user. If the marks are less than 40, give me a standard output that congratulation, sorry, it's a greater than 40, so it's a congratulation that you have passed. And else, if it's not, but if it's not greater than 40, so standard output will be the you are paid. So this message will be displayed. Again, 17 line is just to show the gap, and return 0. You have to write that something must be displayed on the screen. So in this program, you can see that there is one keyword that is this is called escape sequence. Whatever you see variable name with the backslash, it's slash n. It's a new. It's mean that you have to display whatever the statement is in a new line. So it's an escape sequence, and you can see the body of the program is always ending with the semicolon. So this semicolon is a terminator. It's a statement terminator which tell the compiler that one statement is ended over here. But you can see that in conditional structure, after if and after else, there is no semicolon. So no semicolon after the conditions and structure. Hope you understand. Thank you very much.